Hello student, please subscribe my channel. God bless you, all the best. We are doing very important oxymercuration, demercuration of alpha methyl styrene, that is PHCH double bond CHCH3. Okay, this is phenyl group, this olefinic carbon, both of them are this is olefinic carbon, this is olefinic carbon. One side there is pH group, other terminal having CH3 group. So in this way, this is we have to go for oxymercuration, demercuration. Here I have written alpha methyl styrene, oxymercuration, demercuration, product and isomerism, both of them you have to find out. I selected product is this. 1 phenyl propane 1 ol. Okay, so 3-step reaction will be there. I will tell you the theory about it. So mercury to acid acetate, that is mercuric acetate. Hg is attached to the olefinic carbon to give 3-membered intermediate. Phenyl substituent and methyl substituent are attached to the olefinic carbon. I told you phenyl substituent and methyl substituent are present in the olefinic carbon to the terminal at the terminal ends. So first mercurium ion is formed because 3-membered intermediate is obtained, which then undergo attack by solvent water molecule. This water is acting as a nucleophile. So it is step 2, formation of oxonium ion is taking place. Oxygen carry negative charge, that is known as oxonium ion. So oxonium ion is obtained, and this is anti-addition to the mercury. Okay, now what this whole process is called oxonium ion. First water is added, oxonium ion is formed, and then deprotonation occur. So after deprotonation we will get this regioselectivity will be there. Okay, because OH group is anti to the mercury, water adds to the carbon atom which is having phenyl group. So this from step 1 to step 3 is known as oxymercuration, and demercuration is the removal of mercury from compound, is done by sodium borohydride. This is done by sodium borohydride. No rearrangement here takes place. Ag add to the carbon which has more hydrogen, like anti-Markovnikov. But water nucleophile added to the carbon bear C6H59, and in this way hydration of alkene takes place by Markovnikov addition. Okay, Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov. So you write on the spelling. Okay, now product is here. So I have written this is chiral carbon. So product mercury can attack to either side. That is why this and this both of them are correct. Here are earlier mercury was the mercury AgOAC was attached, which is replaced by the NaBH4 hydrogen from the NaBH4. So we will get this product. So optical isomerism occur in this case. Here I have written how 3-membered ring is obtained, and then water is added. So water